to make chords in FL Studio, place your first note, then count up 7 notes and place a note. This is a fifth. This is the chord shape that you can move around to any key in any chord and it'll still be the same shape. This is your bass shape. Now this is a major chord. We're adding the middle note. If you bring the middle note down 1, it makes a minor chord. An easy way to make a major 7 chord is to add the octave, then go 1 note below it, and that's your major 7 chord. Now take the 7 and the 3 of the major 7 chord, the top note and the middle note, and bring it down 1 to make a minor 7 chord. To make a dominant 7 chord, add a major triad, then add the minor 7 on top, and it makes a dominant 7 chord.